and heavy. Yeah, check it out, follow us, and yeah, you can see what I do in the off season, and let's go. First exercise is dumbbell press, flat. It's the same like bench press. But after last season, I do a lot of free weights, and I kind of like it. And I feel great, keep me, staying around, and I feel my muscle better, the contraction and all this, than if I do machines or flat bench. But of course, I switch all the time, between the exercises, and I do sometimes machine as well. And yeah, that's what I do. This is the first one. Doing when I warm up, doing 10 to 12 reps, and the working sets always 8 to 10. So off season, it's always not higher than 10. So trying to build muscle. Oh, pump is good. Oh. All right, we did 3 sets of flat dumbbell flies. It's pretty cool for whole chest. It looks like it is, pretty light because it's 60 pound dumbbells, but the way I do it, it's pretty hard for me. I try to stretch the chest complete and hold it for a couple seconds, and then squeeze it really hard to the top. And I could do it with I don't know, double that much weight, but I don't feel anything in my chest, so that's why I do this this way. As always, that's the time for traveling. It's April, May, June is always kind of expo time. Been to Germany for the FIBO for 3 days. Been to Serbia for 1 day for guest appearance in Belgrade. First time ever. Was a great time. Been to France for guest posing. Awesome people over there. I had a lot of fun, but the bad thing is on traveling with me, I lose a lot of weight always, and so I need always, like, if I lose 10 pounds after a couple of weeks traveling, I need 1 to 2 weeks to get it back, and to look the same like I used to before. But it's okay. It's it's been always but I'm professional, so I like to meet the fans and represent MD, represent MX, and you know, just being there for the fans and expos. It is what it is, and I like it. But the bad thing on it is, like I said, losing weight. The third exercise, incline dumbbell press. Yeah, it's the same here. You know, trying to do 8 to 10 reps. Yeah, I'm pretty pumped already after 2 exercises on the flat bench. Yeah, I used to do a lot of Smith machine, incline, but you know, I always had problems with shoulders. You know, not like I need a surgery or something, but it always like bothered me. You know, sometimes left shoulder, and then a year later the right side. And since I switched to dumbbell training, you know, just free weights, just, you know, only free weights, nothing else. You know, I'm doing well. I have no pain, no anything. You know, it's great. It's, you know, I used to think this way. You know, that's why I was doing Smith machine, because I thought if I do free weight, it's gonna hurt me even more. But you know, it's not the case. It's completely different. I feel great. Feel you know, more healthy now. I feel, you know, the joints, I don't feel them anymore. It's great. It's really good. So guys, if you have problems with shoulders, and if you're doing Smith machine, try to do some free weights. Oh yeah, pump is good. All right, this is the last exercise for today. It's kind of cable crossover, but it's a little different. It's the machine where you pull it from behind, so you have another squeeze in the chest. I like it pretty much. Well, to do it almost every time, but you know, it depends what we do before. It's just as a last exercise to bring, you know, the less pump to the muscle. Yeah, and that's it. Chest is pumped, feeling good. All right, guys, this is it for today from MD TV. Stay tuned for tomorrow. We're gonna do legs, and that's gonna be sick. You're gonna see it, so don't miss it. We'll see you tomorrow. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching MD. Take care.